I'm Grant Tommy. This is Straight Six Fan, helping you build your hot rod and your confidence without a ton of money. And look, guys, we are cruising in Project Ford Fairmont. The brakes, are they done? No, but I've got some good news. They are definitely the best they've ever been. Okay, so changing out those front pads definitely made a huge difference. The brake pedal is definitely stiffer than it's ever been. Now, if I slam on the brakes, they don't lock up. So I just kind of did it there. I got a strange look from that guy in his garage. But I certainly feel more comfortable driving this. You know, so the stock Fairmont brakes work great. I don't know if you can hear that, but the front calipers are sticking. So in my experience, when a caliper is sticking, that means that, you know, the square cut seals aren't retracting the pistons back as far back as they should. But in my experience, there was kids I thought gonna run out into the road. But so in my experience, that would mean that though the pistons can still act in the outward fashion, and I would still get proper clamping force. So leave a comment below if I'm wrong on that. If a stuck caliper would also prevent performance in the closed position, because that might be part of my problem. But so yeah, Sunday just bled the whole brake system with a whole myriad of different solutions. Had my wife help me on 2 of them. My vacuum pump just was leaking too much air through the bleeder valves, and my little tube kept tearing, so I gravity bled some of them, like I said. So I think what I'm gonna do, put new calipers on, so I know that's no longer a problem. And then this car needs an alignment as well, so take it somewhere to get an alignment, and while I do so, I'll probably just have a shop bleed the brake system as well, and then that way I know it was professionally done, and at that point all the different scenarios will be accounted for, I guess we'll say. So anyway, yeah, it's not perfect, but it's definitely a lot better than what I had dealt with before. So improvements, baby steps, whatever you want to say, those are all good things. Definitely something I can live with for a car that I'm gonna flip. So anyway, that's it for this week. Try to keep it short, simple, and sweet. So probably one more brake video for you guys, but then we'll start tearing into the heads and the exhaust system and all that fun stuff. I bet I don't have it in drive. Anyway, we're shooting this all exclusively on the DJI Osmo Action Cam. If you want one of those, if you like the performance you see here, link down below, you can pick you up one of those. Otherwise, check out some of my other videos here and here on Project Ford Fairmont. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I don't care which one you do, as long as you do one, that helps me out. That's gonna do it for this episode. Until next time, peace out.